Hey guys, it's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of my brand new curly hair routine for multi-textured damaged curls. In my last video, you saw that I did the base of my curly hair routine. I did my products, I finger coiled, went into detail all about that. And so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I diffuse my hair so it's dry, and also how I kind of just style it and get it fluffy and big and fun. And yeah, so if you want to see how I diffused my hair so it's like nice and fluffy and light, then please keep on watching. I used to never diffuse my curly hair before. I used to always just let it air dry because, well, my hair was so long, I was too lazy to diffuse it. But now I need to diffuse it for my curls to come out right. It took me a little bit to kind of figure out the perfect way to diffuse my hair, because before it would just come out frizzy and just didn't look good. And I was like, how do you guys diffuse your hair and it looks amazing? So I'm gonna tell you how. This is the diffuser that I'm using. I've had this for I don't know, so long. It's just from Conair. Here's how it looks on the inside. It has these little combs. And then I'm just going to be putting on my, what is this, Super Solano hair dryer. It's actually my mom. She's had it for 10 years, but so you just attach it like that. You can use whatever diffuser or blow dryer you have at home. All right, next I'm going to add some heat protectant into my hair because we're not using that much heat, but we are still, using the blow dryer. It still does get hot. So, and we are all about the health and integrity of our hair these days, okay? Hair is still pretty wet, and we really don't want to disturb our sections and our finger coiled curls until they're completely dry. So what you're first gonna do is turn the blow dryer on and kind of just diffuse it away from your head like this. You don't want to be right on top of your head. You don't want to touch your hair at all first. So I will do 5-10 minutes of just blow drying around my head. I am turning the blow dryer to high heat and high power, and notice I am not touching my hair at all. I'm just going around it with the diffuser. I'm not flipping it upside down, nothing. I'm being really gentle to keep everything we just did intact. Now my hair is probably 35% dry, diffused for 10 minutes. So now I would say it's damp. It's not soaking wet anymore. So that's where we want to be. So the next step is to take the diffuser. You're going to go from below and then just cup and hold the hair into place. And we're not going to shake the blow dryer. We're not going to do anything. We're just going to do it section, do a big section, hold it there for a minute or two, and just continue to move around the head. So I did that for 25 minutes, and now I would say my hair is 50-ish% dry, and you can see it's already starting to fluff up, and yeah. So now, once your hair is 50% dry, now you can go in, flip it upside down, kind of tussle it and shake it a little bit, and finish up the drying process. I can't hear. Okay, so I'm done diffusing now. It's 85% dry. I like to do a cold blast right at the end to set the hair. So now I'll usually kind of let this set and cool for 10 minutes, and I'll do my makeup or whatever. And then we can continue to finish do the finishing touches, and then we're done. I'm going to take a little bit of that bio silk, warm it up in my hands, and I'm going to gently start to separate the curls. Take the same comb I was using and lightly fluff up my roots. Oh my gosh, it's pouring. It's pouring outside. And boom. Boom, baby, boom. Last and final step, taking some Moroccan oil, luminous hairspray, and I'm gonna lightly do it all over my head. All right, guys, so that's it. Here is how it looks, all done, blow dried, and detangled. I am so in love with my hair again, and just like, I love this length. It's just very different for me, and it's cute. I feel like I can rock it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put your bell on, all that stuff. I'm trying to get to 15K. And yeah, I love you. See you guys next time.